Eggs Benedict without the ham? You got it, coming right up. Hey, Chef Des coming at you from my kitchen. Corporate chef of BC Egg, check it out, bcegg.com. We're gonna make one of their great recipes from their website. It's called an Eggs Benedict Florentine. What does that mean? Well, it's with spinach and tomato instead of the ham. Sometimes people use bacon as well. So this is like a vegetarian one. Don't be scared off by that. It's still great, it's still fantastic. It's still that hollandaise sauce over top. Let me show you how easy it is. So it's 4 portions. So I have 2 English muffins, already toasted, already split, already buttered. And all we're gonna simply do is just put a little bit of spinach on every single portion. How much you put on, that's up to you, all right? But really, really simple. And then we're gonna take some tomato. And this is a 1 Roma tomato that we're going to divvy up between the 4 portions. And then make sure you season the tomato and spinach, all right? Little salt, little pepper. Yeah, you can bang these off really quick. Great breakfast for sure. Now we have to poach the eggs. Now, if you haven't got an egg poacher, I know a lot of people like to use that, have the little individual cups so they look all perfect and everything. I have a couple of tips for you. The very first thing we need to do though is get the eggs out of the shell. What I like to do is put each egg in its own little ramekin so the cracking part is done ahead of time. You know you haven't broken any yolks, and we can really quick put them in the pan. So let's do that. Let's get 4 eggs, 4 large BC eggs. Okay, let's take our eggs over to the pan, and I'll show you how easy it is to poach the eggs. There's a video online at bcegg.com for me giving you this tip already on how to poach eggs, but I'll quickly review right now. So you want to have simmering water, so not bubbling, but hot. So what I did is brought it to a boil and then just put the heat on low. Now all I'm going to do is just drizzle in some white vinegar. And what that does is it really helps the proteins to coagulate more together, and it's going to keep that egg more in a natural shape instead of having it all floating out throughout the water. And then we just take our eggs, 4 of them, one at a time, gently put it in the water. 3 and 4. And you want a big enough pan so that 4 eggs can fit in there with lots of room around them. We're going to set a timer now for about 3.5 minutes. Go 4 if you want the yolks a little bit more solid. Let's make our hollandaise while these are cooking. Okay, for the hollandaise, we need to start out with 3 egg yolks. Show you a very easy way to separate your egg yolks. Just put it in your hand and just toss back and forth, and just let the whites go out of your fingers, and we'll put them in here. There's 1, 2, and 3. All right, to our egg yolks, we're gonna add a tablespoon of lemon juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, your choice, a little pinch of cayenne, or a dash of hot sauce. I'm gonna go with the hot sauce today. Maybe 2 dashes. A little pinch of salt, and we're gonna whiz that up. Next, we need the melted butter. Okay, with the melted butter, you want to keep the blender going at all times while you're putting the butter in a very slow stream. So let's get our blender started first. We'll take the top off and slowly drizzle that butter in. Splatters a little bit, but that's okay. I want to make sure it comes together. Okay, let's get these eggs out of here. So what I want you to do, gently with a slotted spoon, take them out of the water. Just dab it on the paper towel. Don't put the egg on the paper towel. And then transfer over to your prepared English muffin. Okay, gently put that on there. Let's do the other ones. Now if you want, you can dab them all and then put them on a side plate, and then put them on the English muffins. Beautiful. And all we do is we just take it out of there, and on each portion, we pour our beautiful hollandaise. Look at this. Perfect every single time. Now on the website, there's another version to make the sauce over the stovetop in a pan while you're whisking in the butter. You do whatever's easier for you. I like this version the best. But the whole recipe is at bcegg.com. So make sure you check it out. Thanks for watching. Again, lots of great tips, recipes, and everything else you want for BC Eggs right at bcegg.com. Where are you getting your protein from?